Morning, Mr. Peterson. Who is this little guy?
This is Jeffrey. He's joining me in my office this morning. Do you have kids?
No, I don't.
They're a real joy.
I can see that. Oh, Mr. Peterson, did you have a chance yet to read my email about PowerPivot?
Not yet. Jeffrey decided to open my email this morning. Didn't you, Jeffrey?
Do you want me to just tell you about it?
It appears we have time. Sure.
PowerPivot is a new plugin from Microsoft for Excel. It allows you to manipulate huge data sets at lightning-fast speeds.
Sounds like our data warehouse. Jeffrey, don't do that.
But it's in Excel, so you can use familiar features such as pivot tables, pivot charts, and slicers.
Sounds like Excel connecting to our data warehouse. Jeffrey, don't do that.
No, it's a desktop application.
Really?
PowerPivot is amazing. It can handle massive amounts of data, and it's all done in Excel.
Go on.
And manipulating millions of rows of data is just the start. Data can be pulled from a multitude of sources: relational databases, spreadsheets, reports, text files, even data feeds from the internet, or just paste from the clipboard. Trying to do that with a data warehouse. Relationships between sources can be found automatically by PowerPivot, so the business user can focus more on analysis.
Jeffrey, don't do that. Keep talking.
And business users can also use new expressions that navigate across tables. With one expression, they can do calculations such as same period last year, opening balances, closing balances, month to date, year to date, previous day, previous month.
I get it. Jeffrey, don't do that.
The analysis can then be published with SharePoint and accessed with a browser. No download needed. This keeps our reports in a single location, saving on redundant storage and meaning that multiple versions don't get redistributed.
I like what I'm hearing.
SharePoint also allows us to work more collaboratively. Multiple users can access the same workbook simultaneously, increasing productivity and reducing the margin for error.
This all sounds great, but IT is never going to let go of that control to everyone. Plus, they're slammed with all your requests for data as it is.
But IT loves it. PowerPivot gives them a central dashboard to monitor and manage shared applications, track usage patterns, and monitor server performance more effectively. In the end, IT will see a decrease in data access requests. We'll be able to source our own data.
Karen, this sounds great, but it's a huge project.
Not at all. We're already big SharePoint users. We already have Excel, and PowerPivot is a quick installation for the business user.
Jeffrey, don't do that.
We can have them using it by EOB tomorrow, if I can just get approval.
Karen, go do that.
Yes.